Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Seeking Alpha account step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation process of your Seeking Alpha account, visit the Seeking Alpha website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the menu options. Inside the account settings, look for a tab or section labeled Subscription or Billing. You may be prompted to confirm your cancellation choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your subscription cancellation. Once your subscription is canceled, return to the account settings page. Look for an option that says Delete Account or Close Account. Click on that option to initiate the account deletion process. You may need to enter your password again for security verification. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the account deletion. After you have confirmed the deletion, check your email for a confirmation message. Ensure you keep that confirmation for your records. Once received, your Seeking Alpha account will be officially uninstalled. Keep in mind that this action is permanent, and all your data will be lost. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Seeking Alpha's customer support. This concludes the steps for uninstalling your Seeking Alpha account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.